Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 best vegetables to grow in your winter vegetables garden. Before that, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Your cool seasons are about to get a whole lot fresher. Having a fall and winter vegetable garden might sound counterintuitive. There are quite a few winter garden vegetables that will grow well in the colder weather, even tolerating up to the upper teens temperatures. In fact, some vegetables thrive in the cold weather and will ultimately taste better for it. Okay, here's the complete list of vegetables to grow in winter. Number 1. Collards. Collard leafy greens are winter vegetables that grow best in full sun. Collard is a cold weather crop, perfect for growing in a winter vegetable garden. Collards are in the same family as kale, cabbage, and broccoli. The delicious winter greens are tastier after the first frost and harvested while still relatively small. Number 2. Swiss chard. There are two ways that Swiss chard can be used in winter gardens. First, you can sow cold hardy Swiss chard in spring and again in late summer, and the greens will be ready for harvesting after about 55 days. Harvest older, outer leaves first so that smaller leaves can keep growing. Number 3. Leeks. Leeks have a limited storage life, but you can overwinter part of the crop in the garden. As winter weather approaches, hill up the soil around the plants and cover them with a thick layer of mulch. Use this method to extend the harvest and enjoy fresh leeks well into winter. Number 4. Beets. It is often advised to put the beets in plastic bags, and without tying them, put them next to the slightly open balcony door. A slightly open balcony door in cold winter will significantly reduce the temperature in the apartment, which is unacceptable. Number 5. Cabbage. Cabbage needs plenty of sunshine, water, and nutrients to grow. So plant in an area with full sun at least 6 hours a day. Ensure the soil is fertile and water well. As cabbage is a heavy feeder, you'll need soil that's rich in organic matter and well draining to avoid rotting. Number 6. Spinach. Spinach for growing through winter is best planted a little later, in September, so that the plants become established, bear one light harvest of baby greens in late fall, and then go into a state of semi-dormancy through the dark days of winter. Number 7. Lettuce. Lettuce and other salad greens are shallow-rooted and grow rapidly. Growing lettuce in your garden isn't just for the warmer summer months. Even in cold winter areas, you can grow lettuce through the colder months if you give your plants some protection. Number 8. Carrots. Carrots will not grow in the winter, they will just stay fresh. In late fall, once you have harvested all the carrots you wanted to, cover the rest with a good layer of straw or leaves. If you are in zone 4 to 5 and have a lot of snow, mulching with leaves could be enough. The colder your winter, the more protection you will need. Number 9. Mache. Small-seeded mache can be winter-grown, in a cold frame or greenhouse. It tends to stay very small, only 2 to 3 inches or 5 to 8 centimeters across in diameter, and will become stringy and bolt with just a day or two of heat. In seed catalogs, mache is also often referred to as corn salad or corn mache. Number 10. Broccoli. Broccoli needs cool weather to thrive, so here in Florida, it should be planted during fall and winter. It takes 80 to 100 days to mature, so don't plant too late in the season. Rising temperatures may cause the plants to bolt, meaning the flowers within the head will start to open. That's it. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like this video, click that red subscribe button down below, and make sure you guys have any notifications turned on, so you never miss those upcoming videos. And see you next time.